Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about for loop in Python. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed about conditional statements. Okay, statements are executed based on the conditions. Those are called conditional statements. Next one is iterative statements, or these are known as looping statements. Okay, so if you want to execute one statement number of times, then you need to use iterative statements or looping statements. సో ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ ని మనం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి అంటే we need to use iterative statements. Okay, iterative statements అనేవి two types గా డివైడ్ అయ్యాయి. One is for loop and another one is while loop. So in this video I'm going to discuss about for loop only. Okay, so the for loop syntax is for I in sequence. I in sequence, then it contains statements. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, so for is a keyword, so in I place you can put any variable. Okay, so I in sequence, so this sequence may be any list, any tuple, okay, or any set or dictionary or string. Okay, sequence may be list, tuple, set, dictionary and string. Okay, and the next, if I value is there in sequence, then statements are executed. Then what is the I value? I value is always pointing to the sequences. Okay, so let's see one example. So first I am taking one list. Okay, L is equals to 1 2 3. Okay, next I in sequence, so the sequence name is L. Okay, so if I in L, then the statements are print Durga. Okay, so let's execute this program. So the output is, so Durga will be printed 3 times. So let's see. So here the I value is first pointing to 1. Okay, so I value is pointing to 1. 1 in L. Yes, 1 is there in L. 1 అనేది L లో ఉంది కాబట్టి it will execute the statement. So it will print Durga. Next, I value is pointing to 2. Automatically I value is pointing to 2. 2 is there in L, so that's why it will print again Durga. Next, I value is 3. So 3 is also there, it will print Durga. So here the statements are printed 3 times. Statements are executed 3 times. Okay, so here this sequence may be any list, tuple, set and dictionary. Okay, so other than this we have one function, that is range function. For example, range of 10. Okay, so range of 10. So this 10 is n. Assume this 10 is n. So for I in range of, just wait a second, range of n, that means 10. So we are giving stopping value. Okay, so we are giving ending value. The initial value starts with 0. 0 to 10 means it will take 9. Okay, 0 to 9 total elements, number of elements are 10. Okay, so next I want to print I value. Okay, so I want to print 0 to 9 numbers, so that's why I'm taking for I in range 10. Okay, so here in range, in this sequence it contains 0 to 9 values. So first I value is pointing to 0, next I value is pointing to 1 2 3 and so on, like this. So let's see the output. So it will print 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. So the next one is, so if you want to represent starting value and ending value, for example, I want to print from starting 10 and ending is 20. So 10 to 19. Okay, so if you want to print range of values from starting to ending, then you need to use like this. Okay, so here it will print from starting 10 to 19. Okay, so for example, I want to print only even values from 10 to 50. Okay, I want to print only even values. So for this purpose, you need to take, so this is start and this is stop and this is step. Step is nothing but incrementation. So the first value is 10. After that, incrementation is 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18, like this. So the values are increased by 2. So 2 to increase outu veltayi. So let's see the output. So it will print 10 to 50 only even numbers. Only even numbers, like this. Okay. So like this you can print any values. Okay. So next, for example, here I am taking 3. Okay. So next, inside for loop I am taking one more for loop for j in range of 3. Okay. One for loop contained inside another for loop is known as nested for loop. Okay. So one for loop contained inside another for loop. Print I or print j. Let's see what is the output. Okay. So here the output is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So why? Because so here in range it contains 0, 1, 2. Okay. So first I value is pointing to 0, 0 in there in range. So that's why it will go to j. J value is 0 because the range is 0 to 2. Okay. J value is also there in range. So it will print j value. J value is 0. After that, j value is pointing to. So here first j value is pointed to 1. ఓకే. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రింటింగ్ ది స్టేట్మెంట్, సో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ ని ప్రింట్ చేసిన తర్వాత జే వాల్యూ అనేది ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది, ఐ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవ్వదు. వై? బికాస్ సో ఫర్ లూప్ ఏం చెప్తుందంటే ఒక సీక్వెన్స్ లో నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నంత వరకు ఆ సీక్వెన్సే రిపీట్ అవుతూ వెళ్తుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ సీక్వెన్స్ లో నెంబర్స్ అయిపోతాయో, ఎప్పుడైతే నెంబర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడే ఆ లూప్ లో నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో జేలో అంటే రేంజ్ లో నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నంత వరకు జేనే ప్రింట్ అవుతూ ఉంది. ఎప్పుడైతే జే వాల్యూలో సీక్వెన్స్ లో నెంబర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడు ఐ వాల్యూకి వెళ్తుంది. నౌ జే వాల్యూ ఇస్ పాయింటింగ్ టు 1. సో 1 is also there in range. So that's why it will print j value. So 0, 1. Next j value is pointed to 2. 2 is also range 0, 1, 2. After that j value ఇంకొక వాల్యూని పాయింట్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ లేదు కాబట్టి ఐ వాల్యూకి వెళ్తుంది. Now I value is pointing to 1. Okay. After that j value is again 0. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. 3 times print అవుతాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ మనము ఐ వాల్యూ పెట్టామనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ వాల్యూని ప్రింట్ చేయాలనుకోండి. సో లెట్స్ సీ హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 like this. ఓకే. సో వై? బికాస్ ఐ వాల్యూ అనేది రిపిటేషన్ లో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, బట్ జే వాల్యూ అనేది ప్రతి రిపిటేషన్ లో కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఎస్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? I hope it is clear. So in the next class, I will discuss about while loop. So if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.